Music in the morning.
Ayo, welcome back. It's Ty. So last week I showed y'all how to hook up the hardware. This week I'm gonna show you the difference between the software and the hardware version. So as you can see right here, we got the hardware set up, and today you're gonna get to see exactly how it sounds. All right, so currently I'm not hooked up through the hardware. I can't give it all right out the gate. So currently I'm hooked up to my normal vocal chain through console with the Neve into the CL1B. So let me go ahead and show here. I'll go ahead and pull this up. So this is what I'm running in console for the Apollo. So here on my Neve, I got the input put up to about 45, and then everything else is off as far as the EQ, and I'm cutting at 80. So then going into my CL1B, about 12 o'clock, about 2 o'clock, 2-to-1 ratio. I got my threshold set, which I could probably go up a little bit. Let's see, hit about 1 dB. Let's go. Hey, it's too much. Hey. Yo, let's go. It's Ty. There we go, we're set. All right, so yeah, and then I got it set to manual, and then I actually have these exact same settings other than the threshold, because that does fluctuate depending on what you're doing. And if you notice, it's not even really ticking right now, but if I get louder, it's busting it down. So we're gonna be basically doing a little shootout, and I'm gonna just kind of no auto-tune, no nothing going into Pro Tools. That way you can hear the raw difference in between the two. And I'm pretty excited. I actually haven't done a comparison between the two yet, so I'm doing this live for you guys. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go. All right, so I got everything set up. So kind of how I want to go about doing this is I'm going to talk, and then I'm going to just kind of spit a little bit of a verse, and that'll be acapella, no auto-tune, no other effects, no nothing. I'll go ahead and show you real quick. Everything is blank. All right, welcome back. This is Ty. I live in Columbus, Ohio. I make music and YouTube videos. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and rap part of the verse while I'm still connected to the software, and then I'm going to do both of the hardware at the same time. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. I'm a young bull, not a regular pup. I've been in the field, got it straight out the mud. Caught me a rollie, it's ready to flood. I already copped the plain Jane. I'm fighting these demons, gotta stay sane. All of this drama, I'm so drained. I'm popping these meds, can show pain. I'm feeling this weight on my back. All right, so we got that part. Go ahead and mute that. Let me get everything switched over so I'm coming in through the hardware. All right, so I got everything switched over. As you can hear, it does sound a little bit different. I'm gonna try to maybe I need to turn down my output just a little bit. It does seem a little bit louder, but it is definitely richer. All right, so let's go ahead and run the test. Yo, welcome back. It's Ty. I'm from Columbus, Ohio. I'm a musician, and I make YouTube videos. All right, so there's that one. All right, now with the verse. I'm a young bull, not a regular pup. I've been in the field, got it straight out the mud. Caught me a rollie, it's ready to flood. I already copped the plain Jane. I'm fighting these demons, can stay sane. All of this drama, I'm so drained. I'm popping these meds, can show pain. I'm feeling this weight on my back. I feel like I'm under attack. All right, so we got everything all recorded here, and let's go ahead and just do some playbacks, and we can kind of judge in between the two, and I'll let you guys decide what you think. But I know already just by the monitoring, I can hear the difference. But let's go ahead and see what you think. All right, so the talk test, let's go ahead and start with that. All right, welcome back. This is Ty. I live in Columbus, Ohio. I make music and YouTube videos. All right, so it's clean. Let's see what this is. Yo, welcome back. It's Ty. I'm from Columbus, Ohio. I'm a musician, and I make YouTube videos. One more time. All right, welcome back. This is Ty. I live in Columbus, Ohio. I make music and YouTube videos. Yeah, to me, I think it's a lot richer. But let's go ahead and play the other one. Yo, welcome back. It's Ty. I'm from Columbus, Ohio. I'm a musician, and I make YouTube videos. Definitely got a lot more low end in there. It's just nice and bold and rich, but it's not muddy by any means. But let's go ahead and see here on the verse. I'm a young bull, not a regular pup. I've been in the field, got it straight out the mud. Caught me a rollie, it's ready to flood. I already copped the plain Jane. I'm fighting any demons, gotta stay sane. All of this drama, I'm so drained. I'm popping these meds, can show pain. Alright, now the hardware version. I'm a young bull, not a regular pup. I've been in the field, got it straight out the mud. Caught me a rollie, it's ready to flood. I already copped the plain Jane. I'm fighting any demons, can stay sane. All of this drama, I'm so drained. I'm popping these meds, can show pain. Now back to the software. I'm a young bull, not a regular pup. I've been in the field, got it straight out the mud. Caught me a rollie, it's ready to flood. I already copped the plain Jane. I'm fighting any demons, gotta stay sane. All of this drama, I'm so drained. I'm popping these meds, can show pain. And again, with the hardware. I'm a young bull, not a regular pup. I've been in the field, got it straight out the mud. Caught me a rollie, it's ready to flood. I already copped the plain Jane. I'm fighting any demons, gotta stay sane. All of this drama, I'm so drained. I'm popping these meds, can show pain. I'm feeling this weight on my back. All right, so I can definitely hear the difference between the two, and I'm sure you can. Now, I would say I think that the hardware is a little bolder, richer. You got that natural saturation, and it just sounds really nice and full. Now, with the software, I think it sounds very clean. I would say almost just as clean as the hardware, but it is a little thinner. It definitely... To me, and it might have been the take, because obviously it's two different takes, so it's not going to be 100% foolproof. But to me, that take did sound a little nasalier. Granted, maybe I'm a little nasally. I don't know. But I definitely hear the difference between the two, and I'm extremely happy that I went ahead and made this upgrade. It did cost about $2,000 to get everything with the hardware set up. But the one thing that I will say, besides the sound, with the compressor, the hardware version is not nearly as sensitive as the software. I love UAD plugins, and I won't say anything bad about it. And I wouldn't say it's necessarily a bad thing, but I noticed with the plugin, you could have your threshold set and not be ticking nothing. You could be taking no dB off that needle, not moving at all. But you move it a hair, and all of a sudden you're smacking 3 dB. It's like, man, like I don't know. I feel like that could be addressed, but with the actual hardware itself, it'd be ticking, but like it takes more adjustments of the threshold to actually get that thing to smack as hard as it would be on the software. Like if I make a slight adjustment, you can see the needle is moving just a little bit more, taking a little bit more off. But the plugin it's quick. Boom. All of a sudden you're taking off too much. And to me, that's really dangerous when you're tracking, because say that is the take that you want. If you crushed it, you're stuck with that because you're printing. And granted, with the software, you can do it to where it's not committed, but I don't see the point in doing it if you're not going to commit to it, because it's hardware emulation. So with the hardware, you are committing to that. So I got to say that I am extremely happy with this. The only time I'll probably use the software version is if I take my Apollo out on the road and I'm recording in a hotel or somewhere mobile like that. But if I'm in my home studio, I'm never running the software chain again. It's hardware for me as long as I'm in this studio every single time I'm recording. And I'm going to keep it plain and simple like that. I am absolutely hooked. Plus, to be able to physically touch everything and really just kind of experiment with it. And I'll go ahead and show this real quick. So with this right now, I am set at about 50 on the preamp on the Neve, and about 11 o'clock on the output. So if I take this down, check this out. Yo, 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 yo. So you can get different sounds out of it. So I basically turned the preamp back. So instead of being at 50, I'm back to 45 now, and then just turn the input up. So there's a little less saturation through the preamp on this, so it's a little bit of like just a cleaner signal. It's not quite as thick, but then I had to turn the output up. But I mean, there's so many things you can do with this, and I can't wait to experiment with it more and just really get rolling with it and really cook up some new hits. But like I always say, this is Tai. I appreciate every single one of you. We coming into 2024 hot. It's going to be a good year. I feel it in my heart, in my soul, and all the people that I'm working with. We got a lot of things on the checklist that we want to do, and I really think that we can meet a lot of these goals. But any questions, comments, concerns, I'm always here. I try to reply to everybody. I actually don't try. I do. Yeah, I'm here. So hit the comments below, like, subscribe, share with your friends, your family, anybody you want. I appreciate every single one of you. Let's build together. Let's grow together. I'll catch you next week. Peace.